Some plants quietly work wonders in the garden, often going unnoticed but making a significant impact. And cowpea is one of them, a true unsung hero in the plant world. Known as black-eyed pea or southern pea, it's a legume that feeds both your family and your soil, offering a bounty of benefits. Cowpea's real magic is its dual purpose, providing nutritious food and naturally enriching the soil. For centuries, gardeners have relied on it to boost soil health without the need for chemical fertilizers, making it a cornerstone of sustainable gardening. It's tough, thriving in heat and dry conditions where other crops fail, showing remarkable resilience. Cowpea fixes nitrogen, making the soil richer for whatever you plant next, ensuring a fertile ground for future crops. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling farm, this plant gives back generously, adapting to various growing conditions. It's easy to grow, resilient, and a true partner in sustainable gardening, making it an ideal choice for gardeners of all levels. Today let's dig into how cowpea can transform your garden, turning it into a thriving, self-sustaining ecosystem. We'll see how to use it as green manure, enriching the soil and preparing it for the next planting season, and how to enjoy its harvest at the table, turning these humble beans into delicious, nutritious meals. The humble cowpea is ready to work for you. Let's unlock its secrets and see how it can benefit your garden and your kitchen. Join me as we discover why every gardener needs this plant and how it can become your garden's best friend. Growing cowpea as green manure is a simple, effective way to boost your soil's health and fertility. Whether you're gardening at home or farming on a larger scale, start by clearing your bed of weeds and debris, then rake the soil to create a fine, even surface. Scatter the cowpea seeds generously. There's no need for perfect rows, just make sure the seeds are spread evenly across the bed. Sow your seeds in late spring or early summer, once the soil is warmed up. Cowpeas thrive in warmth, so timing is important for strong, healthy growth. Rake the seeds in lightly, just enough to cover them with a thin layer of soil. Water thoroughly after planting, and then let nature do the rest. Cowpeas are resilient and quick to establish. In just a matter of days, you'll notice a lush green carpet forming. This dense cover not only suppresses weeds but also shields the soil from harsh sun and erosion, keeping it cool and moist. Cowpeas are low maintenance and need little care. Just water them during long dry spells or droughts. Otherwise, they'll thrive with minimal attention, making them perfect for busy gardeners. As soon as the first flowers appear, but before the plants set seed, chop them down. This is the ideal time as the plants are packed with nutrients and organic matter. Turn the chopped plants into the soil using a fork or hoe. Mixing them in at this stage helps the nutrients break down quickly, enriching the earth for your next crop. Let the ground rest for a few weeks while the green manure decomposes. This resting period allows the soil to absorb all the goodness, creating a fertile bed ready for planting. Using cowpea as green manure is an easy, natural way to build healthy, living soil that supports strong, productive plants year after year. With this simple practice, your garden will thrive, and you'll see the rewards in every harvest. What's the secret behind cowpea's soil magic? Nitrogen fixation. Cowpeas partner with soil bacteria to turn air nitrogen into plant food. When you dig them in, that nitrogen feeds your next crop. No synthetic fertilizers needed. The decomposing plants add organic matter, improving soil structure and water retention. Cowpea cover protects against erosion and keeps soil cool and moist. This living mulch supports a thriving soil ecosystem. With cowpea, you're building long-term fertility for your garden. Cowpea isn't just for the soil, it's a delicious, nutritious food that's been enjoyed for generations around the world. This humble legume is a staple in many kitchens, valued for its versatility and health benefits. Plant cowpeas in tidy rows to make harvesting easier, and to help the plants thrive. Organized planting not only saves time but also encourages healthy growth and better yields. Pick young pods for a tender, green bean-like vegetable, perfect for quick sautés or stir-fries. Or, let the pods mature until they're plump and full, then shell them for fresh, creamy beans. For dried beans, allow the pods to dry completely on the plant. Once they're crisp, shell the beans and store them in airtight containers. They'll keep for months, ready for hearty meals all year. Cowpeas are packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and potassium. They're a smart choice for anyone looking to add more nutrition to their diet, supporting energy and overall health. Enjoy cowpeas steamed, tossed into stews, or featured in classic dishes like Hop and John. Their mild, earthy flavor pairs well with a variety of spices and ingredients. Harvest regularly to encourage more pods and ensure the best flavor and texture. Frequent picking helps the plant keep producing throughout the season. By growing cowpea, you're nourishing your family with wholesome food and enriching your soil at the same time. A true win-win for home gardeners. It's a crop that nourishes from the ground up, improving soil health while providing a bountiful harvest. Simple to grow, easy to store, and endlessly versatile, cowpeas fit into any garden or kitchen routine. From garden to table, cowpea truly connects the health of your soil to the nourishment on your plate. Cowpea fits any garden or farm. Try a dual harvest, pick young leaves and pods, then turn the rest into green manure. In crop rotations, cowpea restores soil after heavy feeders like maize. Save seeds from your best plants for next year. Self-sufficiency at its best. Use cowpea as a cover crop, livestock forage, or food source. It's a cornerstone of sustainable, resilient agriculture. For more organic gardening tips and quality products, visit agric4profits.com. Happy growing!